I keep my calm a lot so I don't get ticked off. I'm busy in the booth so I get missed calls. Yeah, why you gotta be this way? Why you talking on my name? Maybe one day you will change. Cause I got hopes and dreams. I always talk about the struggle openly. I ain't little baby but I'm scarred emotionally. And I ain't gonna give up till they know me globally. Yeah, look, cause I remember we was poor every single day, just hoping that we get more. I understand wrong and they honestly don't know. Cause we struggled for some money, we needed all the support. All the way in this journey I kept the real and spot. Whenever I was still losing, I'd always bring it back. Your team is just some snitches, they snitching, we call them. And if they want a challenge, they never level with mark. Telling all of them black, they ain't too clever with tracks. Said it ain't a rap, this is who I am in the flesh. When I get off the back, I gotta bring something fresh. And show why these rappers are bigger than the crash. They ain't spinning you for the best, they get tripled in for the best. I've been thinking about what is next, with the smoke in my chest, yeah. I ain't got to put it, cause we struggle. Yeah, look, cause I had a problem with drinking. Woke up to the stuff that I wasn't even thinking. The next thing you know, I was mentally sinking. People were trying to talk to me, but I wasn't even blinking. I couldn't get a word out or even give them a sign that I'm just mentally scarred for being given this life. Know that I'm complaining, but I have to survive. And I ain't gonna have to until the day that I die, yeah. I keep my calm a lot so I don't get ticked off. I'm busy in the booth so I get missed calls. Yeah. Why you gotta be this way? Why you talking on my name? Maybe one day it will change. Cause I got hopes and dreams. I always talk about the struggle openly. I ain't little baby but I'm scarred emotionally. And I ain't gonna give up till they know me globally. Yeah, had to push away some snakes, now we laugh at them. They be friendly to your face but they some rock stars. But you can kill them if you're smart, but they bad doctors. You ain't full, why you acting like you're blast Thomas? Since a kid it was a dream to be in front of the crowd. Cause I was blessed with this gift that's made a different sound. And I'm living it now. If you accomplish any dreams, listen I'm proud. Cause I used to be the kid to keep down day and night. Cause I went on a trance and what was out at the time. Whether it was fashion or different things than the right. Now they message me, stop begging for a reply. I've been through all the pain and changed the way I move. I remember all the days and stayed away from school. I ain't felt accepted by other kids for the school. This little boy look at me now and look at you, yeah. Look, there's a difference. You focused on numbers while I'm focused on business. See, I come from the struggle where we try every Christmas to provide for ourselves, not just grind and illness. Ain't a person in life that is gonna stop me ambitious. Even though I'm from Sheffield, as a kid was ambitious. Had to step it all up, to level up in positions. It's no longer silent beats, it's easy deep for the bridges. I keep my calm a lot so I don't get ticked off. I'm busy in the booth so I get missed calls. Why you gotta be this way? Why you talking on my name? Maybe one day it will change. Cause I got hopes and dreams. I always talk about the struggle openly. I ain't a little baby but I'm scarred emotionally. And I ain't gonna give up till they know me globally. It's easy mark. Like it.
Hey! Well done, man.
Oh, is honestly, there's rappers on like MTV and that today that haven't got you a talent. You were just another level, and I've got no doubt that you were going to be spotted soon. Well done, buddy. Kelly.
Do you know, I really enjoyed that. I really enjoy every performance you do. I like the fact that every original you've done, and you've done an original every single week, has been different and has showed a different side to you. Your rhyming is really clever. You don't stick to sort of like a typical pattern and go with, you know, like really obvious rhymes. It's really intelligent, it's really clever, and you tell a story with your rap. It's, you know, like some rappers, they just chuck in swear words in there and it's got no meaning behind it whatsoever. But you've got actual meaning behind your lyrics, you know, your story is relatable, and I absolutely love that. And I love how melodic, you know, the flow of your voice was in that. I thought that was a brilliant performance. It really was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Zoe?
Yeah, I've said it to you before, but one thing I really love when you perform is like your tone and like how you still perform in your Welsh accent, even though like typically you wouldn't. But yeah, like Hel said, you are a natural like storyteller. Like you got so much passion when you perform, and that's what I like really love about you. But yeah, the lyrics in that were really emotional, but it was a perfect performance. Well done.
Thanks, so Louise?
Yeah, I love that you bring something so different every time, and not just that it's different for you performing it, but it makes me personally, I feel something different every time I watch you. And I love that this was quite personal, and I love the fact that you were speaking out about struggles you've been through, which is so important, especially with men, so I really appreciate that. You're just such a talented writer. You really are a very rare talent, and you amaze me every time you get up there. I'm not a rapper, but I totally appreciate what you do, and I wish I could do it. Well done, love.
Thanks, Lo. Joey?
Easy. I mean, you are a perfectionist, right? This is what it is. You are a perfectionist. I saw tonight that, I don't know if there was a part that you was a bit like, oh, I got to mess, and I think that's why you maybe had a little bit of doubt at the end. Was like, actually, I mess it. No, you didn't. And I'll tell you. I don't know if that's what it was, but I wanted to know that, you know, because you're a perfectionist, you want everything to make sure is bang on, your lyrics, everything. But let's not forget what you've done. Ever to a lot of people I've ever seen in 8 years. You have come up here every single week with a brand new song, original, every week, every beat, every lyric, everything you've done yourself. You are a true, ready-made artist. That's what you are. And that's something we very rarely see in any season. We have people coming through that are still working to develop and everything. You're ready to go. You're ready. You were showing us that, look, this is it. So I gotta commend you on that. I thought, again, this song, I was getting worried throughout this process, maybe if you do original thing, but you've proven me wrong, because every song I've heard of you guys have made me want to see you even more, and even more, and even more. So there's something in what you were doing up there that's standing out like a sore thumb. And I want to punch up again, I repeat it every week, and I'm waiting for the moment to change, but it hasn't changed. I still believe that you are the best rapper I have witnessed in 8 years, and I feel factful about that. Very factful. Well done.
Thanks, Joe. Let's hear it